So this video is just a follow-up to the previous Autograd video, and all this does is demonstrate some of the outputs of the network, and I animated some of them just to kind of show the thing working a little more. It's kind of boring to look at things. It's just like two-dimensional outputs or whatever on for these particular networks. But again, these are just the outputs of an Elman network that I built based directly on the Autograd example code of a character-based language model that I adapted to just predict sinusoids or to generate sinusoids. So so I'm just going to show some of the outputs here. The first one is just a standard output of a sinusoid that looks, fairly good, that the generated by the network, and most of the outputs look like this one, and but it's actually kind of boring, and you'll see why. It's just a sinusoid. So here it comes. Oh boy, look at that. So there you go. I don't even recall how I initialized the hidden state in order to do this generation. And you can see how at the beginning it goes below -1, and then it kind of stabilizes to a range or domain of -1 to 1. So okay, here's a more interesting one. This is a degenerate output. This happened once in a while, and it seems pretty interesting. Just the fact that you would kind of have this flat line effect. And here we'll see another one in just a moment. Oop, it flatlined. And again, I think that this had something to do with the hidden state of the network and how it was initialized. But just wanted to show these to animate them and to show some kind of degenerate outputs of this network. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.